Hello everyone, this is the 14th video of this tutorial series where we will learn how to use our website localoi.in. In this video, we will discuss about the amount offer creation workflow. To provide amount offers to your customers, click on Offers. Click on the Add New Offer button. Write an offer code. Select the expiry date of the offer. Write the name of the shop where this offer is going to be applicable. Select the discount type, which should be amount in this case, and also write the discount value. Add the minimum order amount. Now add a description for your customers. Now you have to add products. After searching, select products which will have this offer. I'll just click on Select All. Click on the Add Items button. Now, if you click on Save, your offer will be ready. That brings us to the end of this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.